I'm going to show you the demo of reference test. First one here is a superscript text tag. Uh, this subtag defines superscript text and it appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font, and it can be used for footnotes. The subtag defines subscript text. Subscript text appears a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. You can see here in a browser how it looks like. Here is a superscript text and this one is a subscript text. Site tag defines the title of a creative work like a book, a poem, a song, a movie, anything else. And the abbreviation tag defines a abbreviation of any acronym like HTML, CSS, or anything. Here is a site, this one, and this is display is look like italic, and this one is a abbreviations. You can see when you hover on your mouse on who, it will be show the abbreviation of this text. Then we have a code tag, which is defines a computer code tag, and samp tag is a basically used to define sample output from a computer program, and keyboard tag is used to define keyboard input, and variable tag var tag is used to define a variable programming or mathematical expressions. And this one block code tags is a specifies a section that is quoted from another source, and q tag is defines a short quotation. Browsers normally insert quotation marks around the quotation. So here is a demo of these things. This one is a uh, keyboard tag, and this one is a variables, and this one is a block code, and this is a quotations.